Outlaws EDC. We feeding on the finest fidgets.
Hello everyone, I am NPC. Today, I will continue to share the basic moves of this card game. So, there are two moves today. The first one is called the starting move, right? The second one is called the opening move. Okay, so today we'll talk about these two moves. Alright, let's first share the first move, this one. Okay, this move is very simple. The first step is to push the card up and let it lean to the left. That's the second step. Step 3. Move your hand this way, push this corner, and move it to the right corner. Step 4. Straighten the card. Step 5. Use your thumb to press this corner and push the card down. It's that simple. Let's do it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 steps. After you learn these 5 steps, how can you make it look fancy? So, it's also very simple. We add our wrist movement. When you are already quite used to practicing like this, add our wrist movement. When our wrist pushes up, it goes down. This side is the lower right. Tilt to the lower right, let the card follow your hand to the lower right. You see it naturally leans over. Tilt to the lower right, and at the same time, move this corner with your hand. So when coming back, similarly, we tilt the wrist to the left. Then come back. Okay? Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This rhythm. Use the wrist to control the direction of the cards. If we want to make it look good, we must use gravity and inertia. Alright, the first move is shared. Now, let's talk about the second move. Okay, this move. So how do you make it smooth? First step, let's talk about the movement. It's similar to the first one. Push it up and let it naturally fall to the left. Second step, use our thumb. I use roughly this position. Give it a tap. Tap it over. Everyone's finger length is different, so this position varies. Just find the position that suits you. Step 2, tap it over. Step 3, use your thumb to push this corner, push it horizontally just like the previous move. Steps 4 and 5 are the same as the previous move. So how do we make it look smoother? Well, it's very simple. Step 1, we push down while turning the wrist to the lower left, like this, and the card naturally falls into this position. For step 2, when we need it to go to the right, we just turn to the lower right and it naturally moves over. As the card comes over, our thumb moves the card to this corner. And at this point, we need to go down, right? We need to align with this edge. So our hand turns to the lower left. 1, 2, as you turn. 1, then push the corner again. 2. When it flows together, it feels more comfortable, like left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. Very simple. Then we also have this variation, which is to flick upwards, then flick upwards again, like this. It's fast and looks good too. This is how we use inertia and gravity to make the card push look smoother. No matter what kind of move it is, this is essential.
Respects to our sponsor, BigWhiteEDC.com. You better like, subscribe, and never forget, eat more fidgets.